everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods. The new Swift zips through a stylish city street at dusk. Close-ups of the headlights, a smooth pan around the car, a shot of the wheels in motion. In a world of ever-growing, ever more expensive cars, is there still a place for something simple, fun and brilliantly efficient? First up, the design. The 2026 Swift isn't a radical revolution, it's more of a sophisticated evolution. Suzuki has taken its familiar cheeky hatchback look and sharpened it up. You've got this new bolder grille, more sculpted lines on the hood, and these sleek new LED headlights and taillights that give it a much more premium presence, especially at night. The overall silhouette is familiar, retaining that iconic floating roof design achieved with blacked out A and B pillars, but look closer and you see the changes. The front end is completely new. There's a sharper crease that runs from the headlights all the way to the taillights, giving the car a more muscular, planted stance. The wheel arches are slightly more flared, and they house new alloy wheel designs ranging from 16 to 17 inches depending on the trim. At the rear, the changes are significant. The tail lamps are completely redesigned into a more boomerang-like shape, again full LED. Slide inside, and you immediately notice the focus. This isn't about overwhelming luxury, it's about smart driver-centric design. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered. In front of the driver is a new full-color head-up display that projects your speed and navigation right onto the windshield, a fantastic feature you usually find in more expensive cars. Front and center is a new larger 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's responsive, has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and keeps physical knobs for the climate control. It's fine for a weekly shop or a couple of carry-on bags, but you're not road tripping with a family of 4. The materials are hard-wearing and feel built to last, even if they're not all soft touch. Under the hood, you'll likely find a petite but mighty 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol engine paired with an integrated starter generator. That's the mild hybrid part. It means incredibly low fuel consumption. We're talking an estimated 60+ mpg easily. In mixed driving, it means smoother stop-start in traffic and a little torque boost when you pull away behind the wheel. It's an absolute joy. The steering is light and precise, making it effortless in the city, but find a twisty road and it comes alive. It's engaging, playful in corners with minimal body roll. It's not about raw power. 0 to 60 is adequate. It's about the sensation of driving. Being a modern car, the Swift is packed with a suite of driver assistance systems branded as Suzuki Safety Support. Graphics pop up as each feature is mentioned: radar brake support, adaptive cruise control, lane keep, radar brake support, which provides forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control that works all the way down to a stop. Fantastic in traffic jams, lane departure warning and prevention, which gently steers you back into your lane. Blind spot monitor with helpful indicators in the door mirrors. Rear cross traffic alert for backing out of parking spaces. The 2026 Suzuki Swift is perfect for city dwellers. Its size, efficiency and maneuverability make it the ultimate urban runabout. First time car buyers, it's affordable, safe and cheap to insure and run. Driving enthusiasts on a budget, if you love the feel of driving a lightweight, engaging chassis, this is one of the last cars left that offers that pure experience. You regularly need to carry more than 2 adults in comfort. You frequently need a large trunk for family trips. You must have a conventional automatic transmission. The 2026 Suzuki Swift is a paradox. It's a car of brilliant contradictions. It's hyper-rational yet deeply emotional. It's incredibly efficient yet genuinely fun. It's packed with tech but remains simple and honest to use. If you found this deep dive helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more incredibly detailed car reviews. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.